how to turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your Spotify application and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the various suggested songs or the song on your playlist. So in order to turn off the shuffle play, you need to select the playlist where you want to make the change. So for that, you can go to your library option in the left bottom corner right next to the premium option, and here you'll be able to see all of your library that you have created. So you have to simply tap on the library in which you want to make the change, and after that you'll be able to see the various settings in the middle section of this screen. Here are so many musics of the artist. So in the right hand side next to the pause button, you can see there is two arrows intersecting each other, which means shuffle. Right now the shuffle is on. So in order to turn off this, you have to simply tap on the arrow option, and you can see the green color is disappeared, which means the shuffle has been turned off. So by following this simple step, you can turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.